Welcome to the White Space Mind. It's time to let go of all your worries and tension with this powerful guided meditation. This is an effective technique for releasing anxiety and relaxing body and mind. Allow yourself to dive into deep relaxation and inner peace with this powerful guided meditation. Tension and stress melt away as you immerse yourself in tranquility. Throughout this meditation, if you find yourself facing any uncomfortable sensations, emotions, or memories, acknowledge their presence without judgment. Allow yourself to experience these feelings fully, but also know that you're safe in this space. You're in control. If something feels too intense or overwhelming, simply acknowledge it and then shift your focus back to your breath or your visual focus. Remember, you're not trying to push anything away or ignore what's coming up. You're simply acknowledging it and choosing where to place your attention. Let's start. Find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting in a chair or lying on a bed. Take a moment to close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing in and out. With each inhale, feel your chest rising and abdomen expanding. With each exhale, feel your body relaxing. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you breathe in and out. Don't try to change your breathing. Simply observe it with a kind awareness. Start noticing any areas where you might be holding tension or feeling discomfort. It could be in your shoulders, your jaw, your fists, or anywhere else in your body. Don't try to fix it, just acknowledge the sensations there. Send your awareness and a little bit of love to those areas. Imagine your breath flowing into those spots, bringing oxygen and relaxation. Feel the tension starting to melt away with every breath. Now, we're going to guide your attention through different parts of your body, starting from the top of your head and moving down to your toes. As we do this, remember that there's no need to judge or alter anything you notice. We're simply observing with gentle curiosity. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Is there any tension, any tingling? Just observe. Now move your attention to your forehead. Are your brows relaxed or furrowed? Again, just notice without judgment. Shift your focus to your eyes. Allow them to soften, as if you're gazing at a distant horizon. Feel the muscles around your eyes releasing any tension they might be holding. Now, bring your attention to your jaw. Many of us carry tension here without realizing it. Notice if your teeth are clenched or if your jaw feels tight. If you find any tension, gently allow it to release. Move down to your neck and shoulders. These areas often hold a lot of stress. Notice any tightness or discomfort. As you continue this body scan, you may notice thoughts arising. This is perfectly normal. When you become aware of a thought, acknowledge it gently, and then let it float by like a cloud in the sky. Bring your attention to your chest. Notice the gentle rise and fall as you breathe. Is there any tension here, any tightness? Now, focus on your upper back. Notice any sensations between your shoulder blades. Is there any tension or discomfort? Again, just observe without trying to change anything. Move your attention to your arms. Start with your upper arms. Then move to your elbows, forearms, wrists, and finally your hands and fingers. Notice any sensations, warmth, coolness, tingling, or perhaps heaviness. Bring your awareness to your belly. Notice how it gently rises and falls with each breath. Are there any sensations here? any tightness or gurgling. Just observe with kindness. Now, focus on your lower back. This is another area where we often hold tension. Notice any sensations here without trying to alter them. Move your attention to your hips and pelvis. Notice the weight of your body pressing down into the chair or bed. Feel the support beneath you. Bring your awareness to your thighs. Notice any sensations here, perhaps heaviness, warmth, or tingling. Now, focus on your knees. Then slowly, move your attention to your calves and shins. Perhaps you can feel the texture of your clothing against your skin. Bring your awareness to your ankles. Notice any sensations in this joint that bears so much of our weight throughout the day. And focus on your feet. Notice the soles of your feet pressing against the floor or the bed. Feel this connection grounding you to the earth. Slowly bring your attention to your toes. Take a moment to focus on each toe. Now that we've completed this body scan, take a moment to notice how your body feels as a whole. Perhaps you feel more relaxed, or maybe you've become aware of areas of tension you hadn't noticed before. Whatever you're experiencing, approach it with kindness and acceptance. As we continue this meditation, let's return our focus to the breath. Notice the cool air entering your nostrils as you inhale, and the warmer air as you exhale. Follow the breath as it moves in and out of your body. If you find your mind wandering, gently guide it back to the breath. Next, bring your attention to your thoughts. Start to notice any worries, concerns, or distractions that may be occupying your mind. These could be thoughts about work, relationships, finances, or anything else that's on your mind. Observe these thoughts without judgment or attachment. Imagine your thoughts as clouds passing overhead. They come and go without changing who you are. You are not your thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts. As you become aware of your thoughts, gently guide your focus back to your breath. Repeat the mantra, "I am at peace." It will help you anchor your attention to the present moment. Gently return your focus to your breath. As you continue to breathe, imagine with each inhale that you're drawing in calm and peace. With each exhale, imagine releasing any tension or anxiety you may be holding. Now, bring to mind a place where you feel completely safe and relaxed. Visualize a peaceful scene. It could be a beach, a forest, a mountaintop, or any place that brings you a sense of tranquility. Immerse yourself in this visual experience. What do you see? What sounds can you hear? Are there any particular scents in the air? Imagine yourself in this peaceful place, feeling completely at ease. If you find your mind wandering during the meditation, gently guide your attention back to your breath. Don't get frustrated if your mind wanders. It's normal and to be expected. Just bring your attention back to your breath without judgment. Notice how your body feels as you visualize this calming scene. Allow yourself to bask in this feeling of tranquility. Continue to breathe deeply and evenly as you focus on your breath. You may start to feel a sense of calm and relaxation washing over you. Notice how your body feels. As we begin to bring this meditation to a close, take a few more deep breaths. With each inhale, draw in a sense of peace and calm. With each exhale, release any remaining tension or anxiety. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back. Notice the feeling of the surface beneath you, supporting your body. Become aware of any sounds in the room around you. Slowly begin to move your fingers and toes, feeling the sensations of movement. Notice the light and the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to appreciate the sense of calmness and clarity that has returned. And notice how you feel now compared to when we started this meditation. Perhaps you feel more relaxed, or maybe you've gained some insight into areas of tension in your body. Remember that you can return to this state of calm whenever you need to. The breath is always with you, ready to serve as an anchor to the present moment. Thank you for taking the time for yourself. May you carry this sense of peace and relaxation with you throughout your day.